everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day, show you guys some really good, easy, healthy, delicious things that I eat in a day. And if you aren't familiar with these videos, I'm gonna leave my playlist down below, which has lots more ideas. This morning I just had some lemon water, really good for digestion, hydration in the morning, especially when you haven't drank any water all night, and a cup of black coffee, super basic. I didn't even make it bulletproof today. I just was feeling a black coffee, but it is 10:01 and it is time for breakfast. I typically practice intermittent fasting, but if I get hungry, I will eat a little earlier. So right now I'm at the 15.5-hour mark, but I'm hungry, so I'm not gonna wait till 16. And generally, I kind of just eat intuitively. I'm gluten-free, dairy-free, and mainly grain-free too, for the most part. So yeah, let's go ahead and make a pumpkin collagen coconut yogurt bowl, which if you guys saw my video, I am obsessed with. I think I eat this every day, either for a breakfast or a snack. It's just so good. There's so much flavor in it, perfect for fall and super yummy. So let's go ahead and make it. So this is everything that I use to make it. This is my favorite dairy-free yogurt. I recently found this and I'm obsessed with it. It has 0 grams of sugar. Let me show you. So it has 0 grams of sugar and 1 billion probiotics per serving. Then I have some pumpkin, some almond butter, collagen, and pumpkin spice. And then this is the granola that I'm gonna put on top. And this is the granola I'm gonna put on top, which if you guys saw my grocery haul, I'll link it down below if you haven't, is my favorite grain-free one right now. So this is my pumpkin yogurt bowl. I put the granola on the top and I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. So it's a little while later. I'm going to make what I call a snack because I do have a Reiki appointment in a couple hours, and I know by the time I get back from that, it's going to be like 3:15, and that's gonna be kind of late, so I know I'll get hungry before then. So I'm gonna make some delicata squash fries, and I think this is the first time I'm actually talking about it in a video, but if you follow me on Instagram, I have made them again almost every day. So both this one and the pumpkin yogurt bowl. So this is what delicata squash looks like. You can find it with all the other squashes in your grocery store, and we're just gonna chop it up. So this is what my snack or little mini meal is. I put some arugula and some spinach, some pistachios, olive oil, and then the delicata squash fries. So I'm back from my Reiki session. It was really nice. She's really good at what she does. If you guys are from Toronto, I'll leave her information down below. Her name's Becca and she's really good. Anyways, I defrosted one of my Paleo apple cinnamon muffins. I'll leave the link down below, and I'm gonna cover it with some baru butter, which a baru seed kind of tastes like a peanut, but a lot better, but it's nut free, so it's actually a seed. It's really yummy. I blended up. This one is pumpkin spice version too. It's super delicious. So this is my little muffin. As you can see, some of the apple fell out. It's got chunks of apple in it, and I covered it with the baru butter. So for dinner, I was gonna make like a taco bowl, but they were completely out of cauliflower rice, which means I couldn't make like a burrito taco bowl. So I'm gonna make some sort of like ground meat with butternut squash, but taco flavored with salad. So we're gonna see how it turns out, but I have high hopes. So it's all cooked up now. I ended up adding in some avocado on top. So I just have the turkey and butternut squash with taco seasoning, and then some more of the arugula spinach mix with some olive oil. So really good like combo of protein, greens, healthy fats, and a little bit of starch from the squash. For dessert, I'm gonna have one of these little Mars bars that I made. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it down below because they are delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some inspiration for your meals, and I'll leave measurements for anything that need measurements or the recipe videos down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video.